Friends, now we are going to discuss important multiple choice questions on costing with explanation. Let us start with first question. It asks us the accounting has mainly developed to meet the needs of management. So it says the accounting has mainly developed to meet the needs of management. So which accounting options are financial accounting, cost accounting, branch accounting, software? See friends, it is basically cost accounting. So the cost accounting has mainly developed to meet the needs of management. So here option B is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it says, is the total of expenses incurred to produce goods or services? And options are, see, before seeing the option here, just read the sentence carefully so that you can guess the answer. Sentence says, is the total of expenses incurred to produce goods or services? So total of expenses, so we know that it is cost basically. So here option C is the right answer. That is, cost is the total of expenses incurred to produce goods or services. See friends, in this topic we have to study the important concept, basic concept related to costing. That is cost, costing, cost accounting, and cost accountancy. We are going to discuss those concepts along with the multiple choice questions, right? So for specifically for this question, cost is the total of expenses incurred to produce goods or services, right? So here option C is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and next question says, who defined the cost? It asks who defined the cost as the amount of expenditure, actual or notional, on or attributable to a given product or service. So this question asks us about the definition, which is here, that cost as the amount of expenditure, actual or notional. Who has defined this? And here options are Anthony and Wells, Oxford Dictionary, ICAI, that is Institute of Cost Accountants of India, ICMA London. See friends, this definition is given by the ICMA London, that is Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of Accountants in London. So here option D is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it says, cost accounting is developed due to industrial development and dash of financial accounting. See friends, here we know that the cost accounting as a special discipline has developed because of the industrial development, and along with this, other reason is that for dash of financial accounting. So we know that because of the limitations of financial accounting, the cost accounting has developed, right? So there are two reasons. One is industrial development, and second is limitation of financial accounts. So here option B is the right answer. It does not means that financial accounting is not useful, uh, right? So cost accounting as a special subject has developed because of the certain limitations of financial accounting. Like financial accounting does not classify the cost or expenses, right? This is one of the limitation of financial accounting. We are going to discuss about that in next question. So for this question, cost accounting is developed due to industrial development and limitation of financial accounting. So here option B is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and next question asks us which of the following is are the limitation of financial accountings. And here options are, uh, see question this see friends, this question is on the limitation of financial accounting. So first point says provides only historical information. Yes, financial accounting processes historical data and provides information related to historical information, right? So this is one of the limitation of financial account. Second option says expenses are not classified. So as we have already discussed that cost or expenses are not classified in financial accounting. This is one of the limitation. Next, not useful to fix prices. Yes, financial accounting is not useful to fix prices, because in financial accounting we prepare the profit and loss account and balance sheet after at the end of the financial year. And this is not useful to fix the prices of the product. So in financial accounting we check overall performance, right? So all the first three are the limitations of financial accounting. So here option D is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, friends, and it asks us which of the following is not the limitation of financial accounting. See, again, this question is on the limitation of financial accounting, and options are shows only overall performance. Yes, This is the limitation of financial accounting, that it shows only overall performance without classifying the cost. Next, no control on cost. Yes, financial accounting cannot control the cost. Then unnecessary option. See, friends, financial accounting is not unnecessary. In fact, as per the Companies Act and certain other acts, the companies or organization must prepare their financial statements at the regular interval, right? So financial accounting is not unnecessary at all. So this is not the limitation of financial accounting. So here, this option, that is option C, is the answer for this question. Next option says fails to ascertain break-even point. Yes, we cannot ascertain the break-even point in financial accounting. We ascertain break-even point in costing or cost accounting, right? So for particularly this question, which of the following is not the limitation of financial accounting? It is not unnecessary, it is necessary, right? So here option C is the right answer. Next question asks us, dash is the technique and process of asserting cost of product or service, and options are cost, costing. See, friends, we have already discussed the concept of cost. Now this sentence is about the costing. Costing is the technique and process of asserting cost of product or service. So here option B is the right answer, that is costing is the technique and process of asserting cost. So here option B is the right answer. Next question asks us, dash is the formal accounting mechanism which ascertains cost by recording them in the books of account. So see, in this mechanism or system, cost is recorded in the books of account, and it is nothing but the cost accounting, right? See, friends, in this topic we have to discuss these four important concept related to cost accounting, that is cost, costing, cost accounting, and cost accountancy, right? So here in question number 7, costing is the technique and process of ascertaining the cost, and cost accounting is the formal accounting mechanism which ascertains cost by recording them in the books of accounting. It means there is difference between costing and cost accounting. In costing, we just ascertain the cost of product or services. It is the technique of ascertaining the cost. But cost accounting is the mechanism or system where cost is recorded in the books of account to control it. So here option C, that is cost accounting, is the formal accounting mechanism which ascertains cost by recording them in the books of account. So here option C is the right answer. Next question says, includes costing, cost accounting, cost control, cost audit, and budgetary control. And options are financial accounting, cost accounting, cost. See, friends, the cost accountancy, it is broader concept, or as compared to costing and cost accounting, right? So this cost accountancy includes costing, cost accounting, cost control, cost audit, and budgetary control. So here option C is the right answer, that is cost accountancy includes all these things. Let us move on the next question, and it asks us, which of the following is not the objective of cost accounting? So this question is about the objectives of cost accounting, and it asks us which of the following is not the objective. Now let us discuss the options. First option is ascertainment of cost. See, friends, the main objective of cost accounting is to ascertain the cost, so this is one of the important object. Next, control of cost. Yes, control of the cost is one of the important objective of cost. Next, elimination of wastage. Yes, wastages elimination is one of the important objective of cost accounting. So first three are the next point, elimination of cost. Yes, the objective of cost accounting is to reduce the cost or control the cost. It is not to eliminate the cost. We cannot eliminate the cost, right? So here option D is the right answer here, that elimination of cost is not the objective of cost accounting, right? So here option D is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it asks us which of the following is or are the advantages of cost accounting. This is about the advantage. Helps in decision making. Yes, cost accounting helps in decision making. Helps to fix prices. Yes, friends, cost accounting helps to fix prices, because we, in cost accounting, we ascertain the cost of product or service, so that we can fix the selling price of that product or service. Then helps to reduce cost. Yes, cost accounting helps to reduce cost. So here all of these is the right option here. So here option D is the right answer. Next question asks us which of the following is the advantage of cost accounting to consumers. Now, this question is about the advantage of cost accounting to consumers. So, first option is increases the profitability. See, friends, cost accounting increases the profitability. This is true, but this is advantage to the firm, to the shareholders, not to the consumers, right? Next, good quality products at reasonable price. Yes, this is the advantage to consumers, right? Consumers get good quality products at reasonable price because of the effective implementation of cost accounting. So this is the answer for this question. So here option B is the right answer, right? Let us move on the next question, and next question asks us which of the following is not the limitation of cost accounting. So now it is on the limitations. So it is expensive. Yes, implementation of cost accounting is expensive. Then limited applicability. Yes, cost accounting is applicable in limited areas only. Then confusion regarding non-cost items. Yes, there are certain non-cost items where there is a confusion that how they should be attributable or how they can be classified, right? So all the first three are the limitations, but fourth point helps for planning. So cost accounting helps for planning. This is not the limitation of cost accounting, it is the benefit or advantage of cost accounting. So the question asks us which of the following is not the limitation. So helps for planning, it is not the limitation, it is advantage. So here option D is the right answer. Next question says the main purpose of cost accounting is to provide cost information to management, not creditors, customers, or shareholders. The main purpose of cost accounting is to provide a cost information to management for decision making. So here option A is the right answer. Next question says, is the quantity of product or service in relation to which cost may be ascertained? So dash is the quantity of product or service in relation to which cost may be ascertained. So this is the quantity for which we ascertain the cost, and options are cost, costing, cost unit, and cost center. See, friends, cost unit is the quantity of product. So here option C is the right answer. See, friends, we are going to discuss about these important two terms, that cost unit and cost centers, in further questions. Here, I would like to tell you that cost unit is one of the important concept in the costing, right? To implement the costing system, ascertainment of the cost unit is very essential, right? So, for particularly this question, cost unit is the quantity of product or service in relation to which cost may be ascertained. So here option C is the right answer. Next question says the dash defines cost unit as unit of product, service, or time in relation to which cost may be ascertained or expressed. So these questions are ask us that who defined this, and options are ICAI Kolkata, ICMA London, FW Taylor, Henry Fayol. See, friends, here option B is the right answer. That is ICMA London has defined cost unit as unit of product, service, or time in relation to which cost may be ascertained or expressed. So here option B is the right answer. See, friends, here you may wonder that why the name of FW Taylor is there in the costing. But here I would like to tell you that the scientific management movement of FW Taylor has also led to the development of cost accounting, right? So we know that FW Taylor has advocated the concept of uh, piece rate system in wages. Okay, so piece rate system, he advocated that the efficient employees should be paid more and inefficient employees should be paid less. So the FW Taylor's contribution is there in the field of cost accounting, right? So for particularly this question, the cost unit as unit of product, service, or time in relation to which cost may be ascertained or expressed is defined by ICMA London. So here option B is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and next question asks us what is the cost unit in cement industry. So now here we have to tell the suitable cost unit in cement industry. So liter, it is related to the liquid, so it cannot be the cost unit in cement industry. Next is per meter, so it is related to the clothing, so it cannot be in the cement industry. Per ton, see, per ton is the suitable cost unit in cement industry, then you can ask that why not per kg. See friends, as I said that cost unit should be suitable. Okay, it should not be like to ascertain the cost in it we have to do calculation and it is costly, right? So cost unit should be suitable. So you can relate that in cement industry, if we decide the cost unit as per kg, it means if we try to ascertain the cost of 1 kg cement, then it will become difficult, right? It will be time consuming and cost consuming. So the suitable unit in cement industry is per ton. So we can logically answer some questions related to cost unit, right? So in cement industry, suitable cost unit is per ton. So here option C is the right answer. Next question asks us what is suitable cost unit in bricks productions. So another tricky question is here. This question asks what can be the suitable cost unit in bricks production. See friends, one can say that one brick, 1 unit of brick can be the suitable cost rate. Just imagine that in brick work or bricks production, we know that thousands of bricks are produced at a time, and if we try to ascertain the cost of one brick, then it will be time consuming and it will be cost consuming also, right? So we should ascertain or decide the suitable unit. See, the units selection of cost unit is it depends on the nature of business and other factors, right? Like what is the material and output. So assessment of cost unit is one of the important tasks in the costing. So here when the word suitable, or when we say that suitable unit, so see say, friends, here I would like to quote one example here. So when someone is thirsty, we give him like water in a reasonable quantity or suitable quantity. Like we give him a glass of water, or there can be a other uh, utensil, right? But if a person is thirsty, we cannot offer him a spoonful of water. Then if we offer him a spoonful of water, it will be too less for that thirsty person, and it is not the suitable unit to offer the water. And similarly, if a person is thirsty, we cannot offer him a whole can of water or that ghada, which is utensil in the house. So that will be again unsuitable for that person. So similarly, while deciding the cost unit in the business organization or in the industry, it is necessary that it must be suitable, it must be reasonable, right? So now let us come to this question, that what is suitable cost unit in bricks productions. So we know that bricks are produced in large quantities. So as I said that if we tries to decide the cost of one brick, then it will be difficult. So what can be the suitable cost unit in bricks industry? So see friends, generally in bricks production or bricks works, the suitable cost unit is per thousand bricks. The cost of per thousand bricks is ascertained, right? So here option B is the right answer. Now I hope the concept of cost unit is clear to you, that and what is its importance, right? See friends, the assessment of cost unit is very essential in the costing, right? It must be suitable. So here for this question number 18, option B is the right answer, that is suitable cost unit in bricks works or bricks production is per thousand bricks, right? Let us move on the next question, and next question asks us what is a suitable cost unit in transport services. Again the question is on the cost unit. So now here you can guess what can be the cost unit. So per cubic feet, this cannot be the cost unit, it is in the timber work or it is in the furniture work. Per kilometer, see, to ascertain the cost, we cannot say that per kilometer. What per kilometer? So in transport industry, if vehicles are there, uh, uh, there can be a passenger, no? So here per passenger per kilometer. is the cost unit in transport industry. And we know that in public transports, in corporation areas we have public transport system, and the state government also has public transport system where the cost unit is decided, or suitable cost unit is per passenger per kilometer, right? So in transport industry, generally the cost unit is per passenger per kilometer. If transport is of the goods, then in that case per ton per kilometer can be the cost unit, right? I hope you are understanding my point, right? So for the particularly for this question, what is a suitable cost unit in transfer, it is per passenger per kilometer. So here option C is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, friends, and it asks us, in case of dash, cost unit can be the combination of products and services. So in case of, there can be a industry or a sector where cost unit is combination of two things, right? So options are cement industry. So in cement industry, there is no question of the combination. In cement industry, simply the cost unit can be the weight, that is per ton. In transport industry, so we have discussed that per passenger per kilometer. So the question asked is combination of product and services. So we know that in transport industry, we don't offer any kind of product. Okay, transport industry does not offer products, so this cannot be the answer. In timber work, so we know in timber work, the cost unit can be the per cubic feet. Okay, and in hospitality industry, specifically in hotel industry, hotel sector, the cost unit can be a combination of product and services. So we know that in hotel, the product is offered, like food, so food is offered, and the rates depends on these other services, right? We know that in five-star hotel, the rates of tea is different, and the rate of that tea in a local hotel is different. So this is because of the services, right? So in hospitality industry or hotel industry, the cost unit can be the combination of product and services. So here option D is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it asks us, dash is the smallest segment of location, person, or item of equipment in relation to which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost center. See, friends, this is basically the cost center. Cost center is the smallest segment of location, person, or item of equipment in relation to which cost may be ascertained. See, friends, we have discussed about the cost unit. Similarly, the cost center is one of the important concept in costing. So, for this question, option C is the right answer. That is cost centers, and this cost centers can be a person, equipment. We are going to discuss about that in next questions. But for this question number 21, cost center is a smallest segment of location, person, or item of equipment in relation to which cost may be ascertained. Right? So here option C is the right answer. Next question asks, cost center can be which of the following? And options are location, equipment, person, or all of these. See, friends, here I would like to explain the concept of cost center. See, cost centers is basically created, or we have to decide the cost center to ascertain the cost. Basically, how? See, for particularly for this question, cost center can be which of the following? So location. So yes, cost center can be a location, like a particular department, like production department. So we can say that what is the cost of producing one unit. Okay, so for that location, that can be the cost center. Then second option is equipment. Equipment like lathe machine or drill machine. So here in case of equipment, we can say that what is the cost of drilling one job or one product. We know that drilling is the process of taking hole into the product. So if we have to use the drill machine, then we can say that drilling cost of drilling one product. Okay, so in this way, the equipment can be the cost center. Similarly, a person can also be a cost center. Like if there is a lathe machine operators, so if his cost of making process on one product is so and so. In this way, we can ascertain the cost of processing one product on lathe machines. Okay, so the cost of operator, that can be a cost centers, right? So basically cost centers, for particularly for this question number 22, cost centers can be which of the following. So here all of these cost center can be a location, equipment, a person, right? All of these. And to understand the question concept of cost centers, students read the question number 21 again. This says is a smallest segment of location, person or item of equipment in relation to which cost may be ascertained, right? So friends, here I would like to stop now, but I'm going to make videos related to costing on the next topics also. So make sure that you have subscribed the channel and like video, and give your comments in the comment section, right? Thank you, thanks for watching, friends.